Hi, this is day 6 of week 3. I know that for a fact because I was editing stuff today. You know what time it is. Time to get my badge on, right? And let's go see what today brings. Today we have one artist interview. At least that was what was on the schedule. I don't know if more people signed up. I hope that they did. I started making a spreadsheet for the one-on-one workshops. I just have to print out that spreadsheet or maybe like make a paper version of it. What I'm hoping to do is also develop a poster and hang it somewhere, maybe like outside the bathrooms, outside the elevator, at doors, something like that, just so that the artists are aware, hey, you can sign up for this. I'm hoping I can hang it in places that they're going to see it. What I am also hoping to do is adding my finishing touches to the research paper. I did all of my research and everything like that. It's just, I want to format it in the APA format, and I'm not used to APA format because I'm always used to writing in the MLA. I guess I wanted to just challenge myself a bit and see how the APA format would look. Something that I'm also hoping to do is start to edit the artist interviews. I'm really excited to edit Jill's because we had the list of questions, right? And I was trying to ask her a question, and the way that I asked it, it just did not make any sense. Just had this like look of confusion, and I flat out said, that made no sense. I am so sorry. And I started cackling. As soon as I know it, everyone's like laughing so hard. I start snorting. Everyone laughs harder. I have this idea of doing a blooper reel. I'm gonna do it. It might not be professional, but still, like, you gotta get a laugh out of it. But as usual, I'll do my rounds and see who's here and who's not. So here we go. Sight. No artists are here. That's really sad. Alright, since I'm waiting for Victoria, I will start working a bit on my research paper and see what progress I can make with that before we have to do anything else. In addition to that, like, I'll figure out, I will make sure that we both have people that we can start editing, everything like that, because I want to make sure that I got my information right. Look who's finally here! Yes. The life of the party.
Oh my god, I'm here. Let's get this party started.
So we're just chilling on the couch. We submitted the research project.
Score. I guess I'm just gonna start like editing some of our footage, and yeah, we have checked in with some of the other artists that haven't responded to our inquiries about the artist interviews, and there is nothing else we can do at the moment. We have an interview later today, and that's it.
Yeah. Sounds like a plan, bro. I guess I'll do some editing too.
Yeah.
We'll keep you updated.
Later.
say that we were both shooketh to our core by the noise?
What does that sound?
I don't know.
It's weird.
Well, there was our first scare for the day. Is it working? Oh no, I hope the battery didn't die.
No.
This is so disappointing. We tried the car.
We tried and we failed.
Unfortunately, did not work.
Didn't move an inch.
I'm like, okay, we need to get this done. We gotta lock in and just do it. You might remember Tori Schultz from the second internship video I did, day 2 of week 1. Today she had her interview and it felt so vulnerable. She seemed enthusiastic and truthful about her answers to our questions. Her studio is shared with other artists, in which it is called a hive studio. Her artwork is truly impressive. You have to check her work out here at JuxtaHub. Are you ready to vroom vroom, Victoria?
Yeah. Wait. It's like, does it drink?
The chef is gone.
Yippee!
Now I gotta take everything out there.
Ah, my toe! Yo.
I'll get out of here. Oh my god.
Oh, you hit the curb. Well, we're wrapping up today.
Yup. Slow day.
And what's your slogan now?
Another day, another sleigh.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Today was pretty slow.
yeah, it was a soft sleigh today.
Yeah.
Very soft.
I'll see you not next week or the week after that, but the week after that.
Darn. Oh, I mean, honestly, it's gonna be so boring. Well, I mean, I guess I don't have to be here, but
But still.
so, yeah.
Well, safe travels.
Have fun.
All right, that's another day in. I really have to say I love working beside Victoria so freaking much. Not much really happened today, but that's okay. Sometimes at a job you gotta have slow days in order to have like exciting days, right? The interview that we had with Tori went really well. The one thing that I loved the most was that when we asked her the one question, what life experiences has like changed you as an artist or something like that, like she was so vulnerable with her answer. I almost started crying. I did feel kind of bad because I'm the one that asked the question and she like started breaking down on camera. I'm like, uh-oh. Gotta keep editing videos for you guys too, and the thumbnail images too, in addition to the artist interviews. Something that I might want to add to the questionnaire, or for the artists that we interviewed, I might send them a quick email being like, so while we're doing the editing process, do you want us to like send the footage over to you, like the final cut version, and get the A-OK from them before we submit it to the head people? Because if there's something in there that the artist wasn't too happy about, or if something like, I don't know, like an answer that the artist gave wasn't good enough, I think that having the approval from them first before doing anything else. Some of them kind of admitted that they felt like they were put right on the spot. I don't want to make the artist feel uncomfortable or privileged to have to, you know, say or do things that they're not comfortable with doing. I believe those are all my closing remarks for the day. I will see you guys soon. Content will be updated, and hopefully you'll enjoy everything else that happens afterwards. And we'll see you later. If you guys want to see more content like this, don't hesitate to leave a like on the video and subscribe, because your support matters. Keep making art, stay alive, and we'll see you next time.